Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in a previous video where I showed you how I trade using this my own system, as well as the indicators that I use, and on that video I actually gave you the download link to the system. I believe I showed you every setting that I have for everything that is here, yet I continuously get people saying we need the template for this. So, well, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below where you can go ahead and download the template. Then, obviously, you can also just put it in your own MetaTrader 4, and you can maybe we get an understanding, because I honestly thought I showed you every setting that I have. You just simply had to go through using the same settings, but people are lazy, I guess. I don't know. People are just lazy, I guess. So you can download the template to this in the link in the description box below. That's fine. Today is Tuesday, and I'm actually waiting for GBP USD to give me another tip some around here, so that I know whether we want to do this, whether we want to do that, or we are interested in. Now I grabbed it at the wrong point. Or we are interested in what? In continuing going this way. So if we start with the dollar index, which is where I always start, that's what's happening on the dollar index. It's going up. This is for our time frame. You can go up to the daily, and you can see that's the situation there with the dollar. So it seems like we still have some distance to go to touch this level. My thinking will be we're going to come and touch this level. So that then influences what my thinking on how I'm going to treat my forex pairs. But it's not a guarantee. It's let me do this. It's never a guarantee that we are going to actually come back, come and touch this level. Trust me, it's not a guarantee. Nothing is guaranteed in forex trading. We might actually reverse here, and we reverse and we come down here, and we actually reverse and continue going down. That's the market. That's the beauty of the market. So of course, I'll be eyeing that we come to this level, which means if I am seeing some bullishness in what, in the dollar index, it makes it easier for me to what, to trade my dollar pairs. For my dollar pairs, then I'll need us to also what, be bullish. I'll be bullish with my USD JPY, my USD CAD, USD CHF. This is actually USD CAD. Those are mostly the pairs that I trade, as well as Euro USD. Then I'll need to be bearish on Euro USD. Unfortunately for us, we are actually at a level of no interest for me, because we are way down here. So I will not be taking a trade here. You cannot take a trade here. What I want to see is us coming to touch this area here before I decide, like I showed you on GBPUSD as we started this video. I want us to touch this area here before I actually decide on whether we are going to go this way or we are going to continue falling down. So it's something that you just want to pay attention to. So that's something to think about. But as it is, it's usually foolish to take a sell here. It's usually foolish to take a sell here unless you are scalping the 1 minute and whatever. But if you are like me, you trade long term, like swing trading, then this is a foolish trade. If you're going to sell here, the position to sell was here. Those were opportunities to sell. Here we are looking for any possibilities of buys or for a breakthrough and a retest and a continuation, then we sell. But otherwise, selling here and hoping that it does come here, yes, it might actually come here and you can get 1 or 2 pips, that's fine. But what if it just decides from here to reverse and go all the way to the top? So in this white space, I am usually not interested. That's it. In this white space, I'm not usually that interested. And you can see in the middle area there, I've got those small dots. I don't know if you can see them. Well, you have downloaded the template. You have downloaded the template, so everything should probably be clear for you. So away from this zone, away from these zones, this is the halfway point for me. This is the dotted lines are the halfway point. Away from this zone and the halfway, I am not interested in these white areas. I'm not really interested in these white areas. What I'm interested in is here, from here to here to here. There you can risk less and stand to gain more. Usually in these white areas, anything can happen. So it's no man's land. I don't trade in there. I don't like it. Uh, in some instances, I will then break this half area into another half, which will be around this area, and I might take that trade. That I can do that. Let's see if we go down to the hourly. You can see if we go down to the hourly, there is an opportunity in this area to actually take more sales. So there is an opportunity here. If we break down the half zone there, into another half, you might find a good opportunity in between there. But otherwise, stay away from the clearly blank areas. There you are just risking for nothing. Okay, so that's for Euro USD. AUDSD, let's just see. Yeah, uh, again, I just need somebody to just tap here and show us whether we want to go back up or we are going to go and continue down. But I'm not so convinced about going up because the dollar index is still somewhat bullish unless we actually bring it down. Then we actually do the other things. So I just continue watching to see what will happen on these levels. But anyway, this video was about the template that people are saying they want the template. People want the template. I gave them the settings, but people want the template. So the template is going to be in the link in the description box below. Otherwise, guys, if you have any questions about how I trade, what I trade and stuff like that, anything that you want me to answer, to do a video on, that's the purpose of this channel, so that we can help one another. Leave it in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer your question. Otherwise, guys, subscribe, like the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.